Next, I'm going to create the page that is visible when we click this next button. I will make a copy of this instructors page. And I will rename it to the add ins add underscore ins uh, staff. Maybe I can put other because we put the name add ins personal. So this one add ins other. So in this page also I'm going to add the same class btn hyphen inset to show it as press this button as press button. And let me copy the code from this add building page. I can copy this part, the div with the class container, which is in this main hyphen content div. I will paste it here. So this add underscore ins underscore other page doesn't need to have two columns, just like this one. This one we need to have two columns because we had too many input fields. So that's why we divided it to two. But this one, the one that we are creating right now, just need to have one column, and that column has to appear in the middle, just like add campus, add building, all those other add pages. Let me name this text box, uh, give the label as instructor number. I can give the ID as ins underscore number for the text box, and I will give the same name for the text box, and in the label value for the for attribute will be same, and that's for the instructor number. The next one is instructor type. That should be a drop down list, so I will copy this one and I will paste it just below the div that contains the instructor number. And now I'm going to give the text as instructor type, and name of the drop down I can give as pdl ins type, and I will give the same value for the id of the select, and here for attribute value will be the same. And in the first option, actually we can give it as selected, so I can give the value as select instructor type. Next I'm going to add the values, add the uh, options. First option I can add as senior professor. Next one, professor, and next one I can add like a senior lecturer. For now, it is enough to have these three options. Next one will be start date. So I can simply copy that from other page, add underscore ins underscore personal, because we added a text box with date type here, this one. And I will give here start date. ID I can give as st date, and same name I can use it here. And for the for attribute also I'm going to use the same, and type is date. The next one is job title. So I'm going to use this one because job title is also text box. Next one is a drop down list to select the faculty. So I can copy it from here, this div, the instructor type. We can use it just below the job title, and I'm going to give the name here, the text here as faculty, and here I will use DDL faculty. ID also I will give the same value, and the value for the for attribute will be same. And the selected option we can use select faculty. Then I can use few faculties in the options. Next one is a department. That's also a drop down list. So I'm going to copy this again. The next one is a text box to show the person ID. Person ID is coming from the previous page. So that one we don't need to allow it to be editable. So we can make it as disabled. So I can use this one and I will change the values. To make it disabled, I can simply use this disabled option in the text box. So it should be disabled. So the last one is instructor notes. It should be a text area. So I will use this. This one I don't need. So I will remove that. And I don't need this one either. And I can remove this one as well. That's all we need. And finally, we have this add button. This is how it looks. And I see here our page has gone to the footer. So I can adjust some of the margins and paddings to make it appear within this content area. Maybe we can reduce the MB4 from the button first. We can add MB2 and it did reduce a little bit. Next, I'm going to reduce this padding from here, from this call MD6. I will change it to PY3. And now it looks okay. Maybe I can use PY4. Let's see how it looks. That should be okay.